Complete our Article 1 mystery element. So whenever you have directions, the first thing is to make sure that you read everything on our page. So you need to read all the directions before you go click anywhere. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch a video. The videos aren't here yet, but they're going to be right here in this tab. Okay? So you're going to log into Clever by clicking here, but don't click yet. You're going to read everything else. When you get into Clever, you're going to go into Miss Nishikawa Science. You're going to click on this Actively Learn app inside of Clever. When you do that, it's going to open up something, and you'll see the mystery element article. When you have finished, and I'm going to show you your directions for that, where you have read and annotated and answered all the questions, then you'll come back to this page and hit done. So now that you have watched this video and read all of the directions, you are going to click on this Clever link. It might ask you to sign into NC Ed Cloud. It is your normal NC Ed Cloud. You're going to go to Miss Nishikawa Science, and you're going to click right here on Actively Learn. So when you get in, this is what should appear. You'll see article number 1, mystery element. And you see it says 8 unanswered questions. So you have 8 questions that you need to answer. So the first thing you need to do is read the article. Read your directions right here. Read the article. If you notice, when I highlight it, it says hear it. You can actually play and listen to it read to you if you need that. Next, it says to highlight our science terms and important information. Take notes on the periodic table and the anatomy of an element. So what that means is, as you are reading, you should have your journal on paper, taking some notes, because some of this will really help you. So you'll go through, you're going to read the article. I would read the entire article first. When you have read everything, then you're going to come back, and then you will highlight. It's important to read everything first, because that helps you understand what you're reading about. So I know that periodic table is one of my words, so I might highlight it and say vocab word. Save. As you're going through, so we're going to read our article. It is pure form. The mystery element is a silvery white metal. Well, knowing that it's silvery and white and a metal is pretty important. On Earth, the majority of the element is found deep in the planet's core or center. There, the mystery element forms an alloy, which is a mixture of metals with iron. Oh, so there's something about iron. Iron and the mystery element are found in the same period or row. So that's another one of our science terms. A period is the same as a row, so I might write. So you're annotating, you're taking notes. So when I've read through this, do I know the answer? If not, then you can go to clue 2, out of this world. So you're going to go through and try to figure out what the element is. When you get down here to the bottom of the periodic table, spend some time looking, pay attention to our colors. Find maybe an important fact. Highlight it. Then when you're looking down in here, look at our anatomy of an element. If I was taking notes, I would definitely be sketching this in my notes and writing about this atomic number. And you can just highlight as well. You can just highlight all of our words. Atomic mass, isotopes. The reason that you do this is now when I'm going to go answer questions in a minute, I can look back up here and find some of these things. I would also probably sketch out this atomic structure. So then you're going to have questions. So you actually have 9 questions. So what is atomic number and how is it used? So then you're going to type your answer here. Complete sentences. Atomic number is whatever whatever your answer is, and it is used to. So if I didn't know what the atomic number is, guess what? I just highlighted it up here. So use the information to answer your question, and then you hit submit, and the next question will come up. What is the mystery element? So I'm going to stop here because I'm not going to tell you the mystery element. You have to figure it out. This will tell you if you're right or wrong. So I hope this helps. When you have finished everything, there is a submit box. It will tell me that you finished. But the biggest thing is come back over. So at the top of your windows, if you are on an iPad, you'll just have to switch back to your Canvas app. But you come back here, submit assignment, and then down in this box, you're going to type done. Inactively. You can just write done, it's fine. And then you hit submit. You'll get the confetti. I'll go check your work and I'll put your grade in within, a few days to a week, depending on, I usually wait till most people have done it when I grade it. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you in class.